5. Single-use laryngoscope blades. 6. Manual installation. First, pick up the main unit. Choose a disposable blade that matches the camera part. Open the sterilized packaging bag. Take out the blade and put it into the camera part, and push it to the top of the camera part. Make sure it can be locked without loosening. Instructions for use. Power on. Press and hold the power button for 1 to 3 seconds to power on. Freeze frame. Press the power button, the screen freeze frame, and then press to return to work. Photo/video. Press the photo button, take a picture and automatically stored. Long press the photo button for about 1 to 3 seconds, start recording. The screen shows the length of the video, then press the photo button, video stop and store. Normal operation. The green light is on. The display can normally display images. Shutdown. Long press the power button for 1 to 3 seconds to shut down. Charging. Please use the original factory-equipped charger and data cable. The blue light indicates that it is charging. The green light indicates that the electricity is full. Battery maintenance. Please use the original charger and data cable for charging. Do not charge for more than 6 hours at a time, and charge at least once every 2 to 3 months when not in use for a long time. Operating instructions. 1. Connect the video laryngoscope according to the assembly instructions. Turn on the power switch, and make sure that the screen display and lights of the video laryngoscope are normal. 2. Insert the cannula core into the appropriate position in the tracheal tube. 3. Take the patient in the supine position, open the patient's mouth, slowly put the blade into the mouth along the midline of the tongue, and observe the display screen while entering. 4. When the epiglottis is seen, place the front end of the blade on the laryngeal surface of the epiglottis, gently lift the epiglottis, and clearly expose the glottis. 5. Insert the tracheal tube into the patient's mouth along the right side of the blade, and when the front end of the tracheal tube appears in the visual field, insert the front end of the tracheal tube against the vocal fold to the appropriate depth. 6. Keep the position of the laryngoscope and tracheal tube unchanged and withdraw the insertion wick. Fix the tracheal tube, and withdraw the laryngoscope from the oral cavity. 7. Inflate the tracheal tube cuff and complete intubation. 8. After the intubation is finished, use your fingers to push up the buckle position of the end of the blade, break the buckle of the blade, make the blade withdraw from the clamping position, and then take it out in the opposite direction. The disposable blade should be disposed of as medical waste. Turn off the power switch. After disassembly, wipe and disinfect the main unit and camera components with alcohol swabs and put them into the box. Avoid using alcohol swabs, cotton balls or gauze with excessive humidity to wipe them. Notes. 1. Crash handling. Left hand holding the video laryngoscope, the reset button on the side of the power button, with a ring needle or a finer needle type items lightly press the contact reset. At this time the host display will immediately shut down. Again lightly press the power button 1 to 3 seconds to normal power on and use. 2. How to connect to a large screen. Hyhj-Km video laryngoscope not only can be used for standalone clinical intubation, but also can be connected to a large screen through a special data cable, so that the intubation process can be displayed through a large screen, which is more clear and suitable for multiple clinical observation or teaching. See the video for the connection method. 3. Data export. Hyhj-Km. If you need to export data, you can use the data cable provided by the manufacturer to connect the visual laryngoscope to the computer and export the data inside the video laryngoscope after power on. With the display is turned in front parallel to the axis of the handle, turn it forward, approximate 105 degree, turn it backward, approximate 95 degree, turn it left, approximate 135 degree, turn it right, approximate 135 degrees. It is strictly forbidden to turn the display out of range, otherwise it will cause perceived damage to the video laryngoscope.